Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Mark. If you're a cruiser like me, unless you've been living under a rock these past few hours, you've definitely heard the buzz about Carnival Cruise Line. Now Carnival has 26 ships in their massive fleet, and yesterday 2 of them, the Carnival Glory and the Carnival Legend, got up close and personal with each other in the Port of Cozumel, Mexico. Let me try to explain what happened. The Legend was already alongside the dock, and the Glory was maneuvering to the dock when the little fender bender occurred. You know what? Everybody has a camera on their phones these days, so I really don't need to do this. Let's take a look at the video. Initially, one person was reported to be injured when the rear of decks 3 and 4 were evacuated on the Glory, but now a total of 6 guests with minor injuries have presented themselves to Carnival medical staff.
Here comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money. Money, money, money.
Dollar, dollar.
Carnival, the world's largest cruise line, says they're assessing the damage, but claim that neither ship's itinerary will be affected by the incident, and they advise their guests to enjoy the day in port in Mexico, where apparently they'll be safer. Inevitably, things are going to happen. These are huge ships cramming into ports 2, 3, 4, 5 at a time. Maybe the Glory's backup camera wasn't working, I don't know. Now, do incidents like this deter you from booking a cruise, or do you feel like things are going to happen whether it's a car, plane, train, or ship? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments section. Me? I will continue cruising. In fact, I'm going to be on the Carnival Sunrise in just a few weeks, and I'll be bringing you a lot more cruise content soon. Safe travels, everybody. Thanks for watching.